Hey everybody, so this video is just to help you understand a little bit more about your grades, where you can find them, how you find feedback from your instructors, what symbols mean, and just the rubrics and the way all of that works to give you the grade that you're getting in FYE. So no matter what FYE class you're taking, you will find on your Blackboard page over here on the left-hand side where it says My Grades. If you click on that, it will take you to your grade page. Okay, here at the top, you can see what your grade is, how many points you have, what your percentage is. Okay, obviously right now I have a 0. I've only submitted a couple assignments, and the one that has been graded, I got a 0. So here's my 0%. Okay, when you look through these assignments for the semester, you can also see a little bit more about each assignment. So like this one's a discussion board, this one's a journal. There's also tests, things like that. Okay, so when you're looking at these, you kind of know what the assignment type is. You can click on View Rubric. Okay, and this breaks down exactly what it is that the teacher is looking for this assignment. Okay, how many points you're going to get depending on what you do. So if you don't answer all the questions, if it's hard to understand the assignment, if the writing is really confusing, just different things like that, then you're going to get a 0 for this assignment. Okay, this assignment is broken up into not yet or complete. You're going to get a complete if you do a really good job and you answer all the questions and you elaborate and you write a paragraph per question and the assignment is very clear and things of that nature. So for every assignment, you're going to have a different rubric. So if you click on like a wrap up, okay, well, you can see that this assignment is broken into 2 parts. Okay, so for part 1, depending on what you do, how well you complete the assignment, if you follow all the instructions, you go into detail and do all of those types of things, you're going to obviously get more points. So you can see maybe in part 1 you got a 43, and this is what you had to do to get that 43 points. Maybe in part 2 you got a 19 because this is what you did. So it just kind of depends for each assignment, but this gives you an idea of what the instructor is looking for and how the instructor is going to grade it. Okay, so also when you're looking at your grades, you're going to see different symbols. Like this yellow symbol with the circle and the exclamation point means that the assignment still needs to be graded. So you can see I submitted it, the date and time, what the assignment is. I can click on this if I want to, look at the assignment again, okay? But I can see when I'm back here on my grade page that it hasn't been graded yet. Just like with this assignment, it has been graded. Okay, I could click on it if I wanted to, go back and look at it. Here it says it was graded. Here's the day I turned it in. Okay, and I got a 0 out of 25. This little blue bubble means that my instructor has written feedback. I can click on it, and now I see my feedback. Okay, your instructor is going to give you things they thought you did well, some constructive criticism, maybe things you need to work on better for next time, or maybe you got a not yet, and they're going to tell you what you can do to fix the assignment, to do better, and then you can resubmit it and try and get it complete. So those are just things you want to keep in mind when it comes to your grades, and obviously if you have any questions, always feel free to ask your instructor.